Aloha everybody, this is David. In this video, I'm going to teach you to make coffee using a Bonjour Smart Brewer. First, boil 12 ounces of water and measure out 4 tablespoons of medium ground coffee. The grind size should look similar or a little bit bigger than raw or granulated sugar. Once the kettle turns off, add the grounds to the dripper, then pour 2 ounces of freshly boiled water into the brew chamber. Then wait 40 seconds. This first pour is called the bloom, because as the grounds soak up water, they release CO2 and get ready for extraction. Slowly pour the remaining water into the brew chamber in concentric circles. This brewer is similar to a French press since it has a built-in filter and the coffee is immersed in water during the whole brew process. It can also be used to make hot tea. Once your timer reaches the 4-minute mark, place the brewer on a mug or decanter and press the plunger button down to dispense the coffee. After the water finishes flowing through the bed of grounds, your brew is done. When you see a slow drip out the bottom, remove the brewer. Finally, enjoy your expertly made Maui Oma coffee.